Okay, so today, right, I'm going to show you also how I do my hair. So I got lots of hair color. I've got this one. This one doesn't really work on my hair. I don't know why I bought this. And then I've got this one. This one does only volume, doesn't really do the curl very well. And then I got this one. This one does more volume blowing hair. I use it on my clients sometimes. Yeah, this one is very, it's more for volume. It doesn't do much color. So the best color, right, that I use for my hair, I mean as in like for my short hair, right, I like to use this brand. So this one you need to on, and you can adjust. For me, right, because I'm so scared that I will get scalded, right, so I put for about 100 degrees, yeah, so that my hair will not get scalded so easily. So it takes about 30 seconds to heat it up, but it gives very beautiful curl. I love it, but it takes some time to practice because my hair is very short and it's very fine, so I really need a lot of volume. Yeah, you can start, and I love the fact that it's number 28, so the thickness is just nice. And then you can take about 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then you see it's very fast. Not like the one that I have. It takes some time. But you cannot be near to the scalp because it's quite hot. So just like that, it's very effective for me. You see, it tongs very well, but you have to be careful. More volume. This is what I do. I just curl halfway only. And it takes about 5 seconds because I'm so used to like holding my tongue for about 5 seconds to create the volume. So be careful not to touch your scalp. So you see, it gives you the volume that I really love this, and it's easy to tongue also, but you have to be very careful not to touch your hair. Just like that, simple and easy. Yeah, so this is what I like about this one. It's so easy to maintain and so easy to curl, and then it will just give you the volume that you want. You don't have to fumble with it. Yeah, so if you're interested in this one, you can go to Far East Plaza. I bought it from Far East Plaza. So if you're interested, right, I can get it for you at special price. Yeah, so just let me know, and then I would PM me for information, and I'll help you to check how much they are selling. I can't remember because I got this long time ago, so I can't remember how much I get for this one. So yeah, this is one of the best tong that I have, and it's just nice. It's just nice for me to use because it's not so big, and then it's not so short because my hair is longer right now, like this crop hair. So it's best that you use this kind of color. It's easier. Yeah, so if you have any questions, you can PM me, and then if you're interested to learn any other techniques in terms of makeup or image styling or even hair, you could PM me, and then I will try to do a review on it, or a video on it, so that you know, to educate you more. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please share and subscribe to my channel. I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video. Bye.